A magnitude 2.7 earthquake occurred. Dominican Republic region. 69 kilometers NNE of Punta Cana, Dominican Republic or 89 kilometers NE of Salvalian de Higüey, Dominican Republic. On Wednesday, the 25th of June 2025, at 16 hours 31 minutes and 54 seconds local time. The quake had a depth of 10 kilometers and was not felt, or at least not reported so. Data source from EMSC. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.